Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about L'Interdit Intense by Givenchy and L'Interdit the original. I will be doing the comparison between the two and also letting you guys know if you need them both. So before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button and the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload any video. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So first, I will be talking about the L'Interdit by Givenchy, the original, which I have a travel size of because I never owned the original. I've never smelled it before and I wanted to compare the two. So I ordered the travel size. So this is a juicy pear. This is tuberose. It's a bubblegum tuberose with lots of layers to it. And it's a very modern interpretation of tuberose. Even if you have not liked tuberose in the past, because it might have smelled too mature for you, you're just not a tuberose type of person, I think you would still really enjoy this one because it smells amazing. It's out of this world. This has been my favorite Givenchy fragrance so far. It's great. It has great projection, great sillage, great lasting power. It's definitely beast mode fragrance. Projection is crazy. The sillage is beautiful. And it's a very sweet, juicy type of scent. So the next one I'll be talking about is L'Interdit Intense. This is a beautiful bottle. It has the onyx ribbon with the silver emblem in the front. I am in love with this bottle and it's a glossy black, just like my nail polish. I just am obsessed with this bottle. I think everything is bottle goals. I'll put some on. This is good. So this opens up with black pepper, tuberose, orange blossom, sesame seeds, and vetiver, and patchouli, and also Madagascar vanilla. So it really has a complex type of feel to it. The sesame seeds definitely give it like a niche vibe. It's definitely very different. So this fragrance is very edgy. It's glamorous. It's a leathered vanilla with tuberose. It's opulent. It's stunning. So how do these two compare? So this one is more earthy. It's darker with an edge. The sesame seeds are definitely present, definitely announcing their presence in the fragrance. The black pepper is really not making this spicy. I feel like this is creamier. It's also sweeter, surprisingly, because I thought it might be less sweet because of that black pepper. This is actually sweeter, if that's possible. So I think the main difference is the sesame seeds. Like I said, this is darker, it's more earthy. This one is a more fruity. The pear makes it very fruity. This one is a little less fruity, but it's sweeter, creamier, more complex, more opulent. Do I think you need both of these? The answer to that would be no, I don't think so. You can certainly have both. If you're a lover of this fragrance, of this, and you own this, I would get this too. But now that I have this, I would not purchase a full size of the original because I feel that they do smell very similar and I just wouldn't be reaching for one of them because it would just give me a very similar type of scent, very similar vibe. So I would just end up using one and not reaching for the other. So I think that maybe if you already own this, I would still get this. Personally, me. I find it so intriguing. Sesame seeds, they smell like roasted dark sesame seeds. They're delicious. They really add like a creaminess and another dimension to this beautiful fragrance. And I prefer this one to the original. I do like this one more. Like I said, it's more interesting to me. There's more depth, more layers. I feel like it's more glamorous, more edgy. It's like the older, edgier, more glamorous sister of the original. Yeah, so you guys decide. Like I said, if you already own this one, I don't think you need the original, but it's up to you to decide. So that concludes my video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments below if you've tried either or both, what your thoughts on it are. I would love to hear from you. Appreciate you so much. I hope to see you back here soon. Take care.